Hi, good evening guys. Once again, my name is Kirk Buchanan. In tonight's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about dropshipping. I've compiled a presentation with the most frequently asked questions that I've gotten about dropshipping. It amounts to about 7 questions. Hopefully you'll see your question answered in this presentation, but if not, you can go ahead and shoot me a comment in the comment section. I'll be sure to shoot a video answering that question. Alright, thank you guys. Stay tuned for the rest of the presentation. Alright, good evening everyone. Once again, my name is Kirk Buchanan. Welcome to tonight's presentation. The title of tonight's presentation is How to Dropship, and specifically eBay dropshipping. The presentation consists of 10 slides, and as usual, I'll try to get through as fast as I can. Tonight's presentation will take a slightly different format from my previous presentation. This presentation is in the form of a FAQ, since these are the top 7 frequently asked questions that I get about dropshipping on a daily basis. So number 1 on the list is, what is dropshipping? Alright, so this is my definition that I came up with. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller doesn't keep any inventory. Instead, we find items that sell well and list it in our online store. When someone buys our item, we then buy the item from a third party and have a third party ship the item directly to the buyer. Is dropshipping a legal business? The short answer is yes, it is a legal business. I have not been able to find any legislation or any rule that goes against dropshipping. However, every wholesaler/retailer have their own policies governing e-commerce and dropshipping. Therefore, if you're not sure about the source policy, I advise that you read the terms and conditions of each specific store. And how do I make money dropshipping? Well, dropshipping to me is a numbers game. What that means is that you must be able to calculate your profit based on your cost price, your selling price, your fees, and your taxes. It's not complicated mathematics, and there are multiple calculators online that you can use to calculate eBay profits by just entering your cost price and your selling price. So just as with any other e-commerce business, you sell your items at a markup. So that's how you make a profit. That's how you make money from dropshipping. How much markup should I use? Well, that depends on profit that you're trying to make, right? If you follow my teachings, I generally say to use between 30 to 40% markup. By doing this, you will make between 10 to 20% on each item that you actually sell. Remember that eBay and PayPal takes 13% of your selling price as fees. So be mindful of that when calculating as well. If you're using an automatic calculator online, like an eBay calculator or a final fee calc, that will automatically deduct your PayPal and eBay fees. Okay, so how do I get started dropshipping? Well, you will need a list of things. The first thing that you'll need, of course, is an eBay store. You'll also need to have a PayPal account. You'll need to get a credit card, and you will need a lot of time to get to learn the business, and you also need to gather as much knowledge as you can. Alright, so what should I sell in my store? Generally speaking, there is no limit as to what you can sell. However, eBay does have some restrictions on some items for new sellers, right? But I suggest that you follow my teaching, follow my rules, and you shouldn't run into any problems at all. Alright? I say sell items that sell. So even though you can sell any type of item, you can sell household items, outdoor furniture, you can sell sporting goods, right? You don't just want to go and find any household item and think that that's going to sell because that's the one that you like. That's not how it works. Sell what sells, and by sell what sells, I mean you'll be doing research on eBay to see what items have sold in the past month or past year. Right, and those are the items that we'll want to list. I say do not sell electronics. The reason for that is that the return rate on electronics is really high. And if you have too many returns on your account, eBay will suspend your account if your return rate is above 25 or 30%, I think. So how does one win at dropshipping? These are my personal secrets to winning at everything in life, not just dropshipping. As you guys know, I have 3 businesses. 2 online and 1 here locally in Kingston. I say the first thing that you will need is to have a desire to succeed. You have to want to win to be able to win. You have to need it. You have to really need it. Research, and study your competition and do things better. because there's no point in doing competitor research if you're not going to do things a lot better than they are. You're not going to win, right? So research and study your competition and do things a lot better. Be patient, right? Things will start slow, right? But don't give up. Don't give up, and then you will start to see some form of success. So be patient. Invest time. Spoke about this on a previous slide, right? Invest a lot of time, and then you will see success. That's how you win at everything in life. And if you apply these to dropshipping, you will definitely be a winner. What should I expect after I start dropshipping? Expect a very slow start. Your first 10 sales are the hardest and may take weeks, and sometimes for people it takes even months. For others, their first 10 sales come in the first week or first 2 weeks of creating their eBay account. You will also suffer from what is known as eBay limits. Most new sellers are not allowed to list more than 10 items valued at no more than a combined total of $500 for the first 30 days of selling on eBay. Right? Your limits may increase after the first 30 days. If you have made a few successful sales, you can call them and ask them to increase your limit. You will also suffer from PayPal holes. What this means is that PayPal doesn't release your money for a sale until they can confirm that your item has been delivered. And it is usually 3 days after the item has been delivered that you get your money. However, on PayPal's website, their disclaimer says that the money can take up to 21 days after the item has been delivered. So be mindful of that. Competition. There's a lot of competition on eBay. A lot of people are dropshipping, right? You're not the only one doing the business. Every item that you list, you will see other sellers as well. If you're about to list an item and no one is selling it, more than likely it's an item that does not sell. Alright guys, so that's the presentation. That was fast enough. I hope I covered everything. Those are the most frequently asked questions, but if you guys do have more questions about dropshipping, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Right? Like the video so you will be updated when my new videos comes out. Or you can also subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and once again I will see you in the next video. Peace.